I'm Jason Schaefer. I am a senior product and applications engineer at Path Robotics. My primary job here is to help guide and build out the most viable product for our customers to meet all of their needs and demands.
Hi, my name is Matthew Klein. My title is Engineering Manager of the Robotics team here at Path Robotics. So what the robotics team does at Path is we make the robot move in intelligent ways to perform manufacturing tasks.
We are primarily a automation provider for the manufacturing industry, primarily in welding currently, leveraging artificial intelligence and proprietary sensoring and software packages. Artificial intelligence, or AI, machine learning, essentially we are leveraging software engineers and robotics engineers to make machines smarter.
As a high school student that finds this kind of stuff interesting, I would definitely say start out by finding a club. That's the best way to get your hands on a robot and start tinkering around. And you'll quickly start to see the different skills that are needed to build robots. So there's everything from the mechanical side, building a robot, putting things together, seeing how they break, making them better, to programming a robot, creating the intelligence. Even if you don't end up in robotics, robotics is a great way to explore all different types of engineering.
The certifications or skill sets that you would need to come in as an entry-level career here at Path, leverage things like DACC, RamTech, go to the school work programs, get certifications early, any kind of computer software programming, C++, things of that nature, Python, even joining your first robotics team.
One of the key aspects of anybody on our team is determination. So we run into really, really hard problems every day, impossibly hard problems sometimes. And one of the most motivating things about our team is people don't blink. They just look at hard problems every day. They lean into them, they fail, and they keep going, and eventually they solve them.